Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style, and the timeline it will sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, Yes, you watching me now. Are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all. So like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram or Discord. The link of them is down in the description of that video. Over there, we're giving free daily signals. Today, we kill it. Yesterday, we kill it. We're making very nice profit over there. Even you can join us there. And by the way, it's only for a certain number. After that, it will be a paid group. To join it, you need to pay money. So benefit from that very quickly. Here we are, guys, in the daily. Today, as you see, the daily candle done exactly what us we accepting. If you watching yesterday video, we give you here, we got here a cup and handle here. Today, it's breaking the neckline. You can find it even on the top nail, and it's bring exactly the take profit here. That for short term, but for long term, what me I told you here. Look with me here, what me I told you over here. You see it or no? I told you we're going to have a very clear cup and handle here. Where is the neckline? The neckline is it here at that level here. We couldn't break it today. We couldn't break that level here. That's what us we been waiting the break to happen here. People they been in my Telegram and my Discord channel. Been telling them us we are waiting the break to happen here, and us we are going to go from here till 41k. It couldn't break here as you see it. But should we be worried? Should we thinking the market maybe from here is going to reverse? Till now there is nothing yet. People they been with us for some time now. As we said here, we got a up channel like that exactly. As you see it, guys, now it's very clear picture for you. We touch the lower here. Now us maybe we're going to go to touch the top here. So should we close now? Not yet. Should we be worried now? Not yet. Yes, us we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, but there is nothing yet, guys. It's telling you the market maybe is going to reverse, so you need to be waiting a little bit. And we got here in that level here, I showed it to you before, a weekly down channel here. If the candle or the weekly candle close like that, we're going to see a major move, because all still now we're breaking the weekly down channel. If you want to see it, just go back and watch our weekly video where we're analyzing the weekly candle when it's closed. You're going to find all that there. Now here at that level where we are, because even here we give you a signal. People they been with us, we give you here a signal, yes or no? What is it, the signal we give you here? We give you that signal here. We be in here at the oversold area. We used to have here, that one here, like that. That would signal us we give you here. When it's breaking here, we'll have you enter long tail here. Now at that level for long-term investment, people they been with us yesterday, what me I told you here? I told you us we buy 20% from here, yes or no? Until now us we still waiting that break of that last high, which is here. If it's breaking here, buy another 20% from your capital. If we break in here, till now we haven't break it, so you need to wait a little bit till the right time. It's need the Bitcoin to show us there is more momentum and more power to break that last high, which is here, that one. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's going to see the coming news for today for pictures to get more clear to you. So it's going there. The coming news for today, guys, as you see it, is it over here. Got a very busy day today. We got that Bank of England interest rate, and today the inflation data, it came very bad for UK. Then today we got the Bank of England interest rate decision. Then we got initial jobless claim of USA, exiting home sales of USA, and Fed Chair Powell testify. So We don't got a very busy day and a very important day. So everything's still looking normal here. And here is our friend, the table of us. We're looking at it every day. What it's telling us, as you see it here, all US stocks, they are still going red. If you remember Monday, we're closing green. Then I told you all the week we're going to see a red week. And that's what's happening till now. Everything's still going down. And me personally, I'm still waiting to buy the SP 500. I'm waiting that correction. From the end of it, I'm going to buy. If you want when exactly also we're going to buy, we're going to give it as a signal in our Telegram and in our Discord. You can even you join us there. Everything is free till now. So benefit from those things, guys. And here is our friend, the VIX, as you see it. Even that one is still very, very low scarness. Also, we are 13. That man, even if we see that dump happening now in US stock market, scarness is still very low. And that's a very, very, very good news. So guys, you don't need to be worried till now. Everything's still looking green. And here, even the US dollar, it's falling down. So everything's still looking green. I don't want to interfere in the cryptocurrency news and those things, because all those things, as I tell it to the people that follow me, all those things, they are just noise. You don't need to give yourself headache about it. Bitcoin, the halving cycle is very close, and you're going to see a major move in the halving cycle. That's it. Forget about all the rest. All that is just noise. Everything is too clear, guys. Here now let's go into the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. By the way, here in the 4 hours, every time I want to say it, then I don't. We used to have here a triangle here. We enter short from here. Exactly from here. Then we put stop loss here. People they been with us that time, they remember that. We put stop loss here. Then the market, what it done? Reverse. Then also we said we got here now a wage like that. It's getting broke, that wage here. We enter long, we put stop loss down here. Look, if you enter from here till here, you're not backing what you lose. You double everything here. Yes or no? Now, at that level where we are, also we are in a very, very stronger level. And today we've been discussing here that pin bar or that inverted hammer or whatever the names, doesn't matter. Should we enter short now at that level where we are? No, my friend, there is no enter short. It's need the market to bounce like that to give us here a sign the market is going to fall down. If it doesn't, there is no entry short now. Remember that. There is no entry short now. The trend line you have here, you are very, very, very far away from it. You see it or no? It's need that one to fall down till here for you thinking of the market is going to reverse. But now, don't thinking of to enter long for swing trading. Don't even thinking of about it, because you are in a very, very, very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. So now what shall we do here for swing trading? For swing trading, we don't have nothing yet. We need to wait in the market to give us here a price action and a clear picture for us to make a decision based on that price action. Till now there is nothing, so us we are not going to do nothing. We are just going to wait. Everything is too clear, guys. Here now let's going to see our indicator, what it's saying today. Our indicator, as you see it, guys, it's over bought area. Should we close everything? For people that enter for swing trading, yes, you need to protect yourself. That's it. That's the only thing I can tell you now. Remember, down here, used to be down here at 26k or 25k. Used to tell you guys, we got here down at divergence. Look now where you are. You are now in 30k today. That's the difference between us and other guys. Now here, where we are, what is it there? Us, we are in a bull market. Very clear picture. There is no bears yet, so there is no entry short, no nothing. If we got a new price action, also we're going to look into enter more long, guys. That's it. That's all the things, because that indicator here is telling us that also we are in the bull control. There is no bears controlling now. Everything is too clear, guys. Here now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, even that one here. People they've been with us for some time, they remember that. Also we enter from here, and I used to have here that channel here. You remember it or no? People they've been with me used to have here the down channel here. That one here, exactly here, the down channel here. I told you, me personally, I told you when we are going to break here, when we touch in here, try to protect yourself, and then we're going to see if we are going to break that channel here. It's break it, look at it, it's break it here. What happened when we break it? A major move happening there. Now at that level where we are here, what should we do, guys? Should we enter short? Because level, look at it. If you came here to that one here, and you do in here a square like that, What you saying? You are in a very stronger level. Look at it from here, and now you are in it. What shall we do now? Shall we enter short? No, my friend. Our indicator, yes, is it here at the overbought area. Shall we enter short? No, we need a price action. If we break in here, maybe we're going to see a major jump. That's why me I told you guys, you need to wait until the right time. Everything is in front of you guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, yes, I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, share the video if you could. Support us, guys. You know that channel without you can growing up. So please, guys, support us. You know there is million channels online that teaching you about Bitcoin and no one of them he give you the value like us we giving you. Majority of them they just want to earn money from ads and those things. No one of them is a trader. So please support us. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Here today used to be here, exactly here. We break here in that candle here, exactly the one we enter long till here. We take the second take profit here. The third one was up. We haven't break it. It's okay. We make very nice profit today. So we go out from a very nice profit here. Now here at that level where we are here, what shall we do here? Till now we don't got any price action. But the market till now we try to give us here like a small peanut now or a small flag there. Shall we enter long or enter short? Till now we don't got a price action, a real price action. We need to wait in another bounce like that to give us here a clear price action. Look at it. Also we are in an uptrend, guys. You can't go back against the trend here. You need to wait in a little bit till we got a clear picture here. And also we're going to make a decision based on that. And if there is any signal, also we're going to give it to you in our Telegram and in our Discord. That way me I told you, if you are not in our Telegram and in our Discord, join us now. And you, if you are in our Telegram and in our Discord, smash the like button. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying, guys. Our indicator, as you see it, from down here. That's why me I told you don't follow indicator. Look at it from here. Also we be in at the overbought area from that level here. So if we enter short from here, we'll have lose all our account till now. Now at that level here, shall we enter short? Till now we don't got any price action. It's telling us also to enter short. Only thing here, you can make something like that, a trend line like that, but that one is going to be very sharp like that. You can enter based on that one. And even here, you can make another one like that. And even that one, it's a little bit, it needs to be broken down here for us to enter short. Till now, we don't got any clear picture, so we need to wait here more, guys. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. So that's it for that video. And please, guys, don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.